Let's take a look at this Sparkling Ice Lifesavers Pineapple. 17 fluid ounce, 502.8 milliliters. Contains less than 1% juice, 10 calories. Vitamin E, niacin, biotin, B6, B12, pantothenic acid. And it mentions specifically the vitamin E, 2.5 milligrams. It's made in Washington, apparently. And this thing, no, we got it upside down. It's kind of a difficult one to show on screen. Carbonated water contains 2% or less of the following: clarified lemon juice concentrate, beta carotene for color, Indian gooseberry to stabilize the color, natural flavors, green tea extract, then the vitamins. The thing to take note of here is sucralose. This is a low-calorie sweetener, sugar alternative. I'd say do your research on that and make sure you understand what you're drinking, because there is some mixed research on sucralose, health-wise and all that to consider. Citric acid, gum arabic, ester gum, calcium disodium EDTA protect flavor, and then potassium benzoate to ensure freshness. So honestly, the ingredients don't look terrible, considering, it's a lower cost type of mass produced drink. So if you're okay with sucralose, then it looks pretty good. It's got natural coloring, which is always nice to see. It's probably good. Oops, let me put the cap back on real quick. It's kind of a tall bottle, so it looks like it could be easily toppled over by accident. Oh, they've got a lifesaver on there. I just saw that. Yeah, I think out of the lifesaver flavors, pineapple was probably one that I enjoyed. But I really don't remember much. It's a very cloudy looking drink. But it is naturally colored, which is nice. Looks kind of cool. The carbonation's in there, but well, whatever. It definitely smells like a Lifesavers candy. Yeah, I smell the pineapple as well. Honestly, it smells nice. It smells good. Very like a sweet pineapple, lifesavery type smell to it. No surprise. Anyways, again, this is the Sparkling Ice Lifesavers version of pineapple. So let's try it out. You got the sweetness from the sucralose. It's a little bit tangy, a little bit sour. It's kind of acidic. So it's going to come from does it have citric acid? There is a little bit of lemon juice, but it's a very small percent. Carbonated water. I don't see citric acid in here. Oh, here it is. It's down towards the bottom of the list. But generally, I've noticed these, specifically the sparkling ice ones, they tend to be very acidic tasting to me. Yeah. Anyways, I think it tastes pretty good. You got that lemony. There's a little bit of lemon juice in here, but also the pineapple flavor, of course. And it does, at least to me, from what I vaguely remember of Lifesaver candies, it does remind me of that. More so in the aftertaste. There's still a fair amount of carbonation in here, even though you can't really see it. Because when you drink it, it kind of like bubbles up, and it's an interesting experience. Yeah. Hmm. So to me, my mouth kind of feels dry after drinking it. I would say this is the case of all of the sparkling ice drinks that I've noticed. It seems very acidic. So if you don't mind that it's hard to explain, but if you're okay with that, then I think it's a pretty interesting, decent tasting drink. You have the pineapple flavor. You got a little bit of lemon juice. Uh, Again, it uses sucralose for the sweetener, which, if you're okay with that, then that's fine. Overall, out of the sparkling ice that I've had, this is probably up there on the flavor profile, and just generally, it's nice. I like the carbonation, obviously. I think you can drink it from the bottle, or it'll work just fine in a glass with ice, and then it'll be a little bit more. I don't think you would notice the acidic nature of these drinks as much if you add some ice and put it in a glass. So that's probably the way that I would suggest drinking this, because it's definitely got enough flavor that I think it'll be fine like that. I could quickly drink it from the bottle here and try it like that as well. Yeah. I've had the strawberry one of this as well. And I honestly, I think I prefer so far these two comparatively to the other ones that I've had of the sparkling ice stuff. So, yeah, I really like this combo of the sparkling ice plus the Lifesavers flavor profile specifically. I think it works. Whether it exactly matches Lifesaver flavors or not, I'd say no, but it's been so long since I've tried those candies, and I have no desire to have those eat those type of candies. But it's kind of like a little mix of nostalgia for me, plus just a decent tasting drink for what it is. So I like it, but the main thing, in my opinion, is just if you're okay with sucralose, the low calorie sweetener in here. And it does have some vitamins. If it's a little added bonus, whether it makes any difference or not. It's the vitamin E, niacin, biotin, B6, B12, pantothenic acid stuff. So B vitamins, and there's E. Yeah. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool. It's an interesting one. Might as well check it out if you like this type of stuff. That was the Sparkling Ice Lifesavers Pineapple.